Hello friends, welcome to my online channel, and today we are going to discuss our next exercise regarding to surface area and volume, and that was exercise number 13.3. okay, so without wasting time we are starting. Question number first is there and the quotation is there also. Assume 22/7 unless they are stated otherwise. मतलब अगर आपके पास में कोई भी इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं हो पाई के लिए तो आपको क्या लेना है, 22.7 ही लेना है. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज देयर, डायमीटर ऑफ द बेस ऑफ अ कोन इज 10.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड इट्स स्लैंट हाइट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड इट्स कर्व सरफेस एरिया. Here is cone and 10.5 centimeter. What diameter? It means the radius will be, radius is equals to 10.5 upon 2. And its length height means L. How much? 10 centimeter. And find its curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. CSA pi r L. Now pi is equal to 22.7, r is equals to 10.5 upon 2 and L is equals to 10 upon 1. Remove the decimal, then it will be 0. Now cancel out this one also. 11 upon 7 is equals to 10, 105, मतलब 105 and nothing is that. Now cut 105 from the 7, 35 time, 15 time. Now 15 into 11, 561 centimeter square answer. Okay. Question number second is there. Find the total surface area of a cone. Total surface area of the cone, TSA, it means. And do you know, I think, that what is the formula of TSA? It will be pi r plus L. Pi r plus L. L is equals to, is given 21. L is equals to 21 centimeter is given, and diameter of its base, D is equals to means R is equals to 24 upon 2, 12 centimeter. Now find the total surface area. Find the total surface area is equals to pi 22/7, R is equals to 12, R is equals to 12 and L is equals to 21. How much? 33 into 12 into 22, 7. Okay. Now cut it. 12 into 33. 12 3 is 36. 3 carry. 12 3 36 plus 3, 39. Now into 22 upon 7. Again, once again, 22 means 22 into 396. Now I told you about the short tricks of multiplication. So 22 means 11 into 2, 22 means. Now double it, then multiply by 11 by the short trick. Double 6 means 12, just like this. 6 6 12, 1 carry 9 9, 18 and 9, 1 carry 3 3 6 and 7. Now into 11 and then 7. 11 means first of all 2, then 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 9 and 7, 16 plus 1, 17, again carry and 8 upon 7. Now divide. 7 1 is 7, 1 carry, 7 is a 14, 15, 16, 73, 31, 7 4 is 28, 3, 7 4 is 28, 4.40. Now 7 5s are 35, then 50 and 7 7s are 49. answer. Got it? Question number 3 is there. In question number 3, curved surface area. Curve surface area of a cone is 308 is given CSA. It means CSA is equals to pi RL, given how much? 308 centimeter square is equals to. And slant height means pi is equal to 22.7, R is equals to, find out. L is equals to 14. 7 to the 14, 44 means 308 divided by 44 centimeter is equals to R. Now cut it from 44. If you know the table of 44, then you can cut easy going. If you don't know, then you have to cut from the 11 and 4 both. So try it from 44 7 times. 7 44 is 308. Okay, done. Part first. Now total surface area of the cone, we have the radius, total surface area is equals to pi r. L is given plus pi r square we need. Pi r is equals to 308 we have centimeter square plus pi r square means 308 centimeter square plus 154 centimeter square. How much? Answer. Clear? Second part is also finished. Question number 4. The conical tent. The conical tent is 10 meter high, means H. Means H is 10 meter. And the radius of its base is 24, means R is equals to 24 meter. Find slant height means L. Slant height. And first of all, we will make the diagram of the question number 4. This is the conical tent. This is 10 meter, radius 24. Now this is L, that will be hypotenuse of a right triangular. L is equals to R square plus H square under root. L square is equal to 24 square plus 10 square under root. L is equals to 576 plus 100 means 676 means 26. L. Then cost of the canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter square canvas is 70, you need to find out the cost. Now it is clear that it will be open from the bottom. It will be open from the bottom. It means cost will be equals to CSA multiplied by rate. Now CSA is equals to pi RL and into rate is equals to 70 rupees. Pi RL 26 into 70. Cancel out from 10 time. Now multiplication by 22, 24, 26 and 10. First of all, we will multiply 24 and 26. 24, 26 by shortcut. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. Now cross. 4 2 is 8. 6 2 is 12. How much? 22. 2. Again 2 carry. Again 2 carry. Now this one 2 2 is 4 plus 2. 624. Now 624 into 10 and 22. 624 Here is 22, 6, 24 and 10 is there. First of all, we will multiply by this, or 20 you can do it also. 11 into 2 into 6 to 4 into 10 also. You can do like this. 6 to 4 double. 6 means 12, 2 means 4, 8, 4 means 8. 0, 11. Now it is easy. 0, 8, 12, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 3, 1, answer, centimeter square, your answer, sorry, meter square. Clear? That was short trick of multiplication. If you don't know the short tricks, then watch my video regarding to short tricks, and I will tell you more short tricks and more shortcuts related to the maths. Now question number 5 is there. What length of the triplean is 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter conical tent means like this. What length of the triplean 3 meter wide? 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter. Height is straight and base radius is 6. Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for the stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter, and there is used to a pi is equal to 3.14 also. So in the last, after getting our answer, we should add 20 centimeter by converting in meter. So first of all, find out the CSA, because it will also be open from the bottom. Now CSA is equals to pi r L. First of all, we will need to find out the L by the Pythagoras theorem. L is equals to r square plus h square under root by removing square. R square is equals to 636. H square 864, overall 100, it means 10 meter. L 3.14, R is equal to 6, L is equal to 10. Solve. 6 into 3, 14, 6 4 is 24 to carry, 6 1 is 6, 7 8. And 6 is 18, 1 decimal. This is your meter square. This is your meter square, and 3 meter wide triplean we should. Now, what should I do? 3 centimeter extra we need after the last. So first of all, we have to divide this answer by the 3 meter. 3 6 18, 3 2 6, 3 2 6, 7 8, 2 carry, 3 8 24. Meter plus 0.20 meter also we need extra for stitching. It means 63 meter triplean we need 63 meter. Got it? This exercise or this chapter is so much easy if you know the concept of the chapter. Now question number 6. The slant height and the base diameter of the conical tomb is the slant height and the base diameter of the conical tent. Your tomb. Slant height is mean 25. Diameter it mean 14. The radius will be 7. Find out the h first of all. And find out the course of whitewashing its curved surface area. Curved surface area it means pi r. L. Coast, pi RL means CSA into 210, because per 100 meter square is also is condition there. So pi is equal to 22.7 because we don't have any information about the pi. R is equal to 7 and L is equal to 25 and 210 upon 100. Question solve. Question solve. 5, 55, 11, answer rupees. Solve. Okay. Now question number 7. This is second last question of this exercise for today. 7th. The Joker's cap is in the form of the right circular cone of the base radius 7 centimeter, height is 24 centimeter. This is cap. It will be 25 centimeter according to the Pythagoras theorem. Find out the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Required sheet. It will also be open from the bottom, so we need CSA into 10. Because the quantity of the cap is 10, CSA means pi R, L into 10. Pi is equal to 22.7, R is equal to 7 and L is equal to 25 and 10 is equal to quantity. Cancel out. 25 double 50, 500 into 11, 5500. Answer. Solve. Centimeter. It's so fast trick. 25 double because 11 into 2 is there. 25 double 50 into 10. 500 into 11. 500 into 11, 5500. And the last question for today. Our stop is barricades from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter is 40 centimeter and a height is 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. You can also write like this. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 meter square. Meter square, it means 1 meter 0.40 meter. Solve. What will be the cost of painting? Pi. This one also. Cost means CSA into rate. CSA pi RL into rate is equal to 12. Pi is 3.14, R is equal to 0.40 and L is equal to, we don't have. L is equal to this one, H square plus R square under root. H means 1 square plus R means 0.40 square. Acha, diameter is there. So half. 20 square, sorry, 1 square 1 plus 20 square is equals to 400. 400 and this is like this. It means 1.04 and here is the value 1.02 L into rate. Remove the decimal, this one also and this is also. First second, third. 0 cancel. Now multiply. Yes. 314 into 4 into 102 into 12. 4 into 12, 48. 314 into 102 into 48. 48. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 102 into 48, it means 8 to the 8 to the 16, 8 1 the 8 and 4 to the 8, 0, 4 1 the 4, 6 9 8 4. 4 8 9 6. Now multiply 3 1 4 also. 4 8 9 6 3 1 4. 4 6 4 6 24 2 9 4 36 plus 2 38 3 8 4 34 32 plus 3 35 3 and 4 4 16 plus 3 19 6 9 8 4 again. 3 6 18 1 carry. 3 9 27 plus 1 28 2 carry. 3 8 24 26 2 carry and 3 4 12 14 4 14 10 18 18 and 5 23 to carry 8 8 8 8 is 24 25 24 25 26 27 10 11 12 13 5 1 answer 1 5 3 7 3 4 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 answer. Okay, pi RL pi R, sorry, R was there 2 0 20 was there 40 means sorry 20 was there and now okay doesn't matter. Let's see once again. This one cancel out first time. It also if you want, otherwise you can do also like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now 22 12 to the 24 means 240. Cancel 1 cancel to 24. 24 into 102. This one means 8. 8. 4 to the 8, 8, 4, 4, 2. Now 314. 8 4 do it yourself. 8 This one. 8, 8, 16, 1, 17, 1 carry, 7, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10, 10 and 8, 18, 1, 6, 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this is the price of one cone and there was 50 cones into 50 also. Then after you will get your exact answer solved. Okay. So this was our 13.3 exercise regarding to the or related to the cone, and I hope so that you will understand. You have understand. It's easy way. Okay. So tomorrow we will meet with the next exercise 13.4 with a new topic and new tricks. Okay. Thank you.